All right. Welcome in, everybody. I hope you had a Merry Christmas. Today is the 26th of December, 2024. Again, hope everyone had many blessings and hope the new year comes in great. So, for today, I want to take a look at a couple things quickly, the Bitcoin chart, and then I got a video from RFK Jr. on Bitcoin, and then I also want to look at some minor charts here quickly. At least one of our favorites. That's CleanSpark, and maybe one other one. But yeah, we can see today again, like volumes, it's down $3,000, give or take, down to 96,250 off the 99,000 we had yesterday. So kind of to be expected to be in this low volume environment. You know, you might have some leverage liquidations, leverage hunting from the market makers. So be careful with leverage, especially when volumes are low. But kind of to be expected here as we close out the year. Again, you can see that trend never did quite make it back in reverse, so we're still in a downtrend. The momentum's pretty weak here, so we'll see where this thing goes, and keep bringing you updates as things change. And real quickly, wanted to kind of transition over to the LinkedIn page, Trim Capital Partners. You can see the logo here. If you want to follow us on LinkedIn, we typically just use that. It's a new page just to post relevant news that we feel is important, as well as some portfolio allocation items and things like that. So may be of use to you, may not, but we appreciate it if you follow. But I do want to come down here and share this one video that we saw. Robert F. Kennedy. Oh, we put that back at the beginning. So we'll take a look at this for just a minute, and then we'll get into the charts. So enjoy.
By Robert F. Kennedy Jr., presidential candidate for 2024. Thank you for joining us this evening, sir.
Oh, I'm so excited to see this. That was an amazing fight. I was astonished about how tough they are.
Oh, yeah. These fighters will lay everything on the line to get the win here tonight. You're here in Nashville. You're speaking at Bitcoin 2024. How has your experience been so far?
I'm a huge supporter of Bitcoin. I was here a year ago at the other Bitcoin conference. I went home with most of my wealth into Bitcoin, so I'm fully committed.
So you heard it there. Yeah, he said he's fully committed, and he's put most of his wealth into Bitcoin, and that's one of Trump's administration guys. So I think we've all seen the recent post. Everyone that seems to be appointed to these various positions is pro crypto, which is a positive. Hopefully, we can get some good legislation coming out of Congress that can help the ecosystem and help the just crypto in general go to the next level. So, and then lastly, before we close out this particular video, is one from Cointelegraph, which is talking about the fact that most of the publicly traded miners are in the red, even after Bitcoin's 113% surge. Now, to be fair, there we did see some spikes, and then those stocks have retraced. But we're going to look at one in particular, which is CleanSpark. Let me pull up that chart right here. So you can see on CleanSpark, it's always nice to zoom out too, but you can see we hit 2450, 25 range. You can see we had that top identified. It was in our price action indicator. We were in that orange level. The highest is red, but on top of that, we also got a sell signal up here at the top as well. Everything does typically mean revert. So, and then that trend changed and it went on down. But now, you see that trend reversed back in on December 9th. You can see the trending momentum indicators kind of got weak now. Actually turned red today. We are in a normalized range, but it is coming on down below our green threshold. So there may be some opportunities presenting themselves in the near term. So this is one we really like for our own portfolio. We do not have a position in it at this time, but this would be one if we can generate, maybe here's a support level down here around 951, but if we could hit some support here and then get some signals to kind of, give us any kind of indication that this may be a good area to dollar cost average in, or put a larger position on the books, then something that we will do, but not, it doesn't seem to be ready just yet, and we'll bring you any updates as those things happen. And anytime we make a trade, we do update our allocation percentages on our LinkedIn page that I showed you over here. So again, if you want to see kind of how we're allocating our portfolio, or have any questions, or want to see any particular crypto or equity, just to see what our indicators do say or reveal to us, we're more than happy to do so. Just put it down in the comments or send us a message, and we'll do that in the next video. But again, anything that we say or communicate is not financial advice. We're not advisors. We simply share our journey in our own portfolio and how we interpret our system of indicators, which are, some that are proprietary that we created, as well as some that we paid for. But just as a high level overview, we've got 2 price action indicators at the top, and then 2 trend and momentum indicators here on the chart, and then right here as well. So with that, best wishes. Hope you had a great Christmas, and we'll see you here in the next one. There's a lot of news coming out, so there'll be a lot of videos to come. Please like, share, subscribe, help the channel grow. Like I said, we just started this channel in particular just to share news, share the journey, share what we feel is relevant. So we appreciate all the followers and support, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.